I'm really excited to share a little bit more about your TasteBuds subscription. When you get your TasteBuds email, you can scroll down to where it says Meet Your TasteBuds Community. When you tap on that, you're going to open up so many different recipes that are not included in your package, but use the same seasonings. So I've already logged into my account, so it's automatically connected. But at this point, you're going to need to log into your account so that you can see your TasteBuds hub with all the recipes and seasonings that came in your packages. So we're going to focus on the current month, which is the Holiday Classics November recipes. However, you'll be able to see previous months' subscriptions that you've purchased. So here in this example, you're going to see both October and November. I'm going to click the See More button, and it's going to expand all the details about the November TasteBuds subscription. I love the seasonings that they chose for this month: the Rosemary Herb Seasoning Mix, Cinnamon Plus Spice Blend, and the Herb and Onion Slow Cooker Seasoning. When you tap the little drop-down arrow beside each seasoning name, it's going to show you a picture of the seasoning bottle. It's going to give you some just basic information about the seasoning. If you didn't know already, our seasonings are gluten-free and they're kosher. If you scroll a little bit further, you're going to see where you can download the recipe card. This is the same recipe card that came with your TasteBuds subscription. You can see it pictured here. You can save it, you can print it off, whatever you want to do with it. When you go back, you can even click on the download the shopping list, and it's going to actually give you a shopping list for your TasteBuds subscription for the month. I'm going to tap back again. If you continue to scroll, you're going to see more recipes that you can use with that seasoning packet. Each packet is going to include enough seasonings to make 3 to 4 recipes, so you may not want to make the same exact recipe over and over, so we want to give you some other ideas. So the recipe card is the Rosemary Herb Chicken and Orzo, so that's the first recipe featured here. If you continue to scroll, you're going to see the corned beef and cabbage, rosemary pork roast with vegetables, the grilled grape rosemary and brie flatbread. That's a delicious recipe, by the way. Continue to scroll and you're going to see more great ways to use this seasoning. There's a recipe for crispy herb potatoes, easy artisan bread, sweet and savory brie, and that one has a quick little video to show you, and it features our Lazy Susan, such a great charcuterie idea. And rosemary infused oil, that makes a great Christmas gift. Perfect protein suggestion, compound butter, and then you'll see the next 2 seasonings in the list. And the same things apply here. You can click the drop down arrow to show you a picture of the bottle. The Cinnamon Plus is a limited time product, so it's only going to be available through the end of 2020. If that's something you want to reorder, make sure you do that relatively quickly so you make sure that you get that. Continue to scroll down. You're going to see the recipe card again, and you'll also see the grocery list again. And continue to scroll and you'll see some other great recipes. So the roasted butternut squash stew is the featured recipe on the recipe card. This apple pie crumble cake is amazing. You definitely want to try that for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Mini cinnamon loaves, also another delicious recipe. The pumpkin streusel cheesecake squares, also something that I love, perfect recipe for Thanksgiving. The harvest brown rice salad is another recipe that uses the cinnamon plus, and you're going to love that one. Some more great ways to use the seasoning, some tips like before: a simple parfait, tasty topping, make your batter better by basically adding some of this to your favorite cake mix or brownie mix. Sips with Spice gives you some drink suggestions. Chai spiced pumpkin seeds, that's such a fantastic idea. Spiced rice, another little great idea for you guys to try. So last, let's look at the Herb and Onion Slow Cooker Seasoning. Again, it's going to give you a picture of the product, gives you some details, and again, our products are gluten-free and they're also kosher. So the recipe card, again, so you can see how to find that, and then there's a link for the grocery list. So the Herb and Onion Pork Roast is the featured recipe, but you also have access to the Slow Cooker Pot Roast, 3-minute dip, which is so fast, so easy to make, and it's so delicious. The twice baked potato bites are also another really delicious recipe that I know you guys will love. More ways to use this seasoning. There's a video and recipe for an easy frittata, quick veggie broth, easy mashed potatoes, nice rice, quick gravy, and that's the end of our November TasteBuds subscription. So I love all of the great things that are included in our TasteBuds monthly subscription. If you have any questions or need help accessing these recipes, please contact me and let me know. If you are not currently a TasteBuds subscriber, please contact me and I would love the opportunity to help you.